Hello students, good morning to all of you. So how are you all? I hope you all are very well. So now today we are going to learn a very interesting lesson of class 6 science chapter number 1. The name of the lesson is food, where does it come from? So before it I want to define food. So any substance containing nutrients such as protein, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, etc. that an organism uses for energy, growth and maintaining life process are known as food. Take a clear look on the definition that nutrients means carbohydrate, fats, proteins and vitamins are known as nutrients. So here any substance which gives us energy, which gives us a lot of energy, such as this energy contains proteins, fats, carbohydrate and vitamins, then that substance is called to be food. So here, as you already know that food, there are variety of food. Food are also available in solid form, food are also available in liquid form, food are also available in gaseous form also. So I will give you some examples. So first of all, write down the definition of food. I will give you some examples of food. So examples of food are, so there are solid foods available, there are liquid foods available, there are gaseous foods also available. So solid foods, there are very examples, large variety of examples such as rice, wheat, maize, all are examples of solid foods. Okay. Now liquid foods such as all types of oils such as mustard oils, vegetable oils, any types of oils, milk, nothing. Okay. Milk is also a type of food. There are types of milk: goat milk, buffalo milk, cow milk, etc. Also there are gaseous food available such as oxygen. Oxygen is also a food which is used by human beings to be survive. Also carbon dioxide is a food for plant. Carbon dioxide is a food of plant. It is very essential for plant because carbon dioxide is used by plant to make photosynthesis. We already know about photosynthesis. So here now there are variety of sources of where does it come from. So food have both animal sources and plant sources. So food have both plant and animal source. Food have both plant and animal source. So I will give you some examples of plant source and some animal source. So plant sources of food are rice, wheat, maize, milk. Anything else? Yeah. Rice, wheat, maize. Also spices. All are plant food, and so on. Animal food sources are such as eggs, and ghee. It is also an animal source. Chicken, There are very examples. There are a lot of examples of animal sources of plants. So we can write down here. Now we are going to study about. But there are some types of foods. There are some foods which have no any animals and no any plant source. There are some foods which are neither available in plants, neither in animals, such as common salt. Common salt. The salt which are used in your home. So common salt, it is neither a plant source food or animal source food. Neither a plant source food nor animal source food. Why? Because it is obtained from ocean. Common salt is obtained from ocean. As you already know about ocean, that ocean water are very salty in nature. Salty in nature, and due to this nature of salty, due to this salty nature, we can obtain salt by some process which we read in later classes. So this is all about food, and there are variety of foods that we are being used in homes